President Donald Trump generates a whirlwind of news during his first full day back in office. This comes after he signed stacks of executive orders on everything from gender ideology to immigration. But it is his pardon of January 6 rioters that quickly created controversy. White House correspondent Owen Jensen begins our team coverage tonight. Owen.
Tracy, good evening to you. The news just keeps coming. Today, the president met with top lawmakers to outline his agenda. He's also working on a big infrastructure announcement. But today for the president, well, it started out just like yesterday, in a church.
President Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump arrive at the National Cathedral in Washington, D.C. to attend the National Prayer Service. President Trump listened as faith leaders appealed to God and prayed for his intercession.
As we mark the transition of political leadership and begin a new chapter in the story of America, may these sacred texts, songs, and petitions from the many faith traditions of our country inspire and challenge us to care for one another.
Meanwhile, President Trump is making headlines with a flurry of executive orders. He signed some Monday at Capital One Arena before taking his seat in the Oval Office and signing many more.
Here's a big deal, merit. Our country is going to be based on merit again. Can you believe it?
The White House says Trump will secure our border, unleash American energy, and establish male and female as biological reality, and protect women from radical gender ideology, while also suspending refugee resettlement and seeking the death penalty as the appropriate punishment for heinous crimes against humanity. But one executive order seems to draw the most attention. President Trump fulfilled his promise to pardon most of the January 6, 2021 rioters who stormed the Capitol building.
So this is January 6th. These are the hostages. Approximately 1,500 for a pardon. Yes. Full pardon.
That decision created both joy and outrage.
I have been betrayed by my country, and I've been betrayed by those that supported Donald Trump.
Also tonight, the U.S. Conference of Catholic Bishops released a statement saying it will work with the Trump administration to, quote, advance the common good for all, which will include instances of agreement as well as disagreement. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.